One more very important thing which I want to tell you guys is how you can go to 120 frames per second, because we know that this camera does 120 frames per second. So to do that, what you do is you come to menu. First of all, you go to recording, you go on resolution, you change it to 4K. Okay, keep it on full frame 4K. Now don't change the frame rate here. You can't. This is project frame rate. You can see that. You need to come here, you go to FPS, you go to SNQ settings, and then you can really go to 120 frames per second. There you go. Now you can go 75 frames per second in full frame 8K, and to do that, its aspect ratio will change to 239, and I will show you how you can do that. So first of all, you are on 8K resolution. You can see that, and after that you come here, you go to SNQ, and then simply scroll down. There you go, and it will tell you that the resolution will be changed to 8K 239 by 1. Say confirm. Now you can see that this is on 75 frames per second.